On the beautiful summer day, one duck is sitting on her eggs among the tall leaves. One fine morning, the eggs began to crack and the baby ducklings finally came out. The mother waited for the other eggs until one day, when the egg broke, there came out a very different one, an ugly duckling. The next day, Mother Duck takes all her little ducks to the river. Before it turns dark, the duck family makes its way to the farmhouse. The mother duck moves away to greet the rest of her friends on the farm. As days went by, things started becoming worse for the ugly duckling. Wherever she went, everyone was mean to her. The ugly duckling just wanted to hide somewhere and cry. Even his brothers and sisters were rude to him. The duckling decided to leave the family and go somewhere deep into the woods. The duckling wandered all along into the deep forest. Soon, when the heavy rain came down, the duckling was sad, and she shivered with cold and couldn't find any food to eat or warm place to be in. The ugly duckling sadly started wandering in the woods again, and there she finds a lake and started swimming. Finally, it was spring again. Everything was fresh and green. Plants started sprouting. The sun is starting to show up again. Walking and walking, she saw a river. She was so happy to see all other swans in the river swimming happily. The duckling went to a quiet spot on the river where nobody could notice her. She was extremely sad, and the tears are slowly falling onto her face. And then suddenly she saw her own reflection on the river and couldn't believe she wasn't ugly anymore. He had turned into a graceful and a beautiful young swan. Finally, the ugly little thing was accepted by her new friends, whom she belongs, the beautiful and the graceful swans. Never judge anyone by the way he looks, because you never know when will be his time.